So I thought I would give you a walkthrough of this Japanese art escape room I designed, just so you can get a sense of how it works. So we always start out with our regular art room for distance learning so that we establish that routine. And then we scroll down, and the first thing that I do is I read this text here to the kids, and then I click here to begin the activity. That brings us to one of the slideshows, where I click through, and then they get this message on a TV that says incoming broadcast. And my first video here, I'll just play this first one, I won't play the next ones.
Hello students, and welcome to my gallery of Japanese art. I wonder if you can find your way out. The oldest image has your first clue.
So that's just a short little video that I made using the anime filter on Snapchat, because I thought that was fun.
Hello.
So then students have to find out which picture is the oldest to get to the next part of the escape room. They click on the correct one, and then it takes us to another page of the website where we have some information about manga and the Choju Jinbutsu Giga scrolls. And then they have to answer a question to get their next clue. Submit that. It usually takes a second to load, and then it says manga is the correct answer. Find manga for your next clue to escape the room. And they have to pay close attention to the way that it's written. So when we scroll up, they usually want me to click here, and that's not the right one because it doesn't have quotation marks. And then here we try that one usually. And then this is the correct one. So when we click that, that takes us to our next challenge. Let's go through this real quick. Then they get another clue. This time the clue is a riddle. What breaks in the water but never on land? The answer is a wave. So then we click on the wave. Some more information about the Great Wave off of Kanagawa. We scroll down, we talk about how artists all over the world parody it, and how that's cool. I usually ask them which one of these would they most like to hang in their house. We scroll down, some kids notice the blue letters right away, but as we keep scrolling, I ask them to figure out and piece together what the blue letters spell. Spoiler alert, it's cup. So we submit that. This takes us to our next challenge. Now, the one thing is often clicking on these links doesn't work, so you have to copy and paste them. So I copy and paste that. Takes us to the next one. Another slideshow that I made with another video I made. And now they have to find the cup in the room. They usually get this one pretty quickly, but I always ask them to describe it to me so that they're getting in that sort of visual literacy skill of describing artwork. So there we go. Then this takes us to a page on wabi-sabi. And I specifically chose pottery because I feel like it exemplifies the term really well. We talk about kintsugi. They're always really interested in that. They think it's really novel that pottery is repaired with gold. So I talk about why that is. We talk about the Japanese tea ceremony. And then they get to answer this question. Submit. And then we are almost done. That takes them to this decoder where they get their last clue. The last clue is in the form of a haiku, where they are asked to so then they get that last clue in the form of a haiku, which we talk about. Haikus are also from Japan, so we make that literacy connection. And then the clue leads them to click on this image. That falls away and reveals the word anime. And then we have to decode that word to escape. So I'm just going to enter some random letters. But I usually go through with them. I spell out the word. I ask them to tell me what number is next to it. And then let's put in some random text. we get our congratulations message. We did it. We beat the escape room. And of course, if there is extra time, which there usually isn't, we usually go right till the end. But if there is extra time, I've put in another slideshow that has all of the items that we didn't look at yet linked so that they can learn a little bit more about those for just some extra fun stuff and enrichment. But pretty cool. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.